lot of CJR cars, eh? This is fun.
As long as it was recorded.
It's fun.
A lot of fucking runs. Yeah, that's what I tell people. People are like, oh, is it going to be busy? I'm like, fuck yeah, but you know what? You're going to get more than 10 plus runs if you can hot lap it. Yep. And they're like, oh, what? And I'm like, the record is the Lancer last year, 32 passes.
32 passes?
32 passes. He showed me 32 slips. Sick. Yeah, you're the top dog.
Hey, boss. So first flag, is it a 60 roll?
Yeah.
Okay.
60, 80, like, yo, you're doing 60, 80 rolls. 60 rolls.
60 roll?
Yeah.
And then the second flag, you hit it?
Exactly. You hit it there.
Okay.
And then just make sure that you go wide, second lane, right?
Yeah.
The right lane, and then when there's gonna be girls at a cone there, just make sure you stop at that light, at that lane, because they're gonna flag you.
Okay.
Right here, like before the race, there's gonna be a set of cones and some girls there, and they're flagging you, right?
Okay.
So they're gonna tell you to go. So just wait for them.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Wait to be called, essentially.
All right.
Thank you.
Wow, so you got VIP Platinum, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Was that Christian?
Yeah.
My man. He's busy. He's a busy man.
Yeah, busy.
Doing your brief. Hey, Chris! What the heck does that thing have in it?
It's got a cam in it for sure.
Really?
Yeah, the thing was loud as fuck beside me.
Oh shit. Let's see your pass.
I gave up after. I didn't even go all the way to save my brakes. Thank you.
Let's see that. 14.1. But that guy did a 12.7.
Yeah.
That's pretty legit though. Look at that.
Whatever he did here.
Yeah, that was definitely the way I spun though.
You spun in with these tires?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, second.
That's
so
freaking crazy.
I'm doing a second gear pull, which gets me up to 60.
Yeah, fast.
And I'm at 4,500 RPM, so when I punch on it, it fucking spins.
Oh, so you're doing some math on it, eh?
I'm trying.
Oh, I get you.
I was a 4.3. That was my best time.
Alright.
Amazing how much horsepower it takes just to get a little small games.
No, dude.
Like you think a stock Hellcat at fucking 800 horsepower.
Yeah.
And it's only doing 12, low 12.
No, 100%, right? Here we go. 5.0 versus RT, baby. Here we go. Load up. You got him, you got him, you got him. Aww.
Yeah, shit start there.
It's good.
this thing dyno tuned though.
What do you got?
14.5. Yeah, he's at
5.
13. So he's not stock, I don't think. 13.7.
All right.
Against this one right here.
Oh, Beamer Fest.
Uh-oh. We're in trouble.
Turbo, eh?
Has to be. A lot of top end power, man.
Yeah.
This guy hates his job.
I know. He's been here all day.
Still here, buddy. Still here.
Oh yeah.
Fuck, how bad. Thank you.
Let's see this. Oh, you did 12 seconds. No. 14.7, buddy.
Don't worry about the bed, it's only a ZR1, so we're fine.
Yeah, we're fine.
We're not fucked entirely here.
We're not, yeah, we're fine.
Come on, Jesus Ducks. Give us the loving support we need. I feel like she's not paying attention anymore. Here we go. Yeah, the potholes are good. The right lane is worse. You can see it though.
Yeah, it is worse. That's a fucking tank of a pass for the fucking Corvette.
Well, it's a ZR1 and it just did a fucking 10.8.
Like, it was only in front of me by like 5 cars.
Yeah.
It was not bad. I got to 165 there. Holy fuck, that's fucking hot.
Oh yeah, it's toasty in here. My balls got sweat on their balls.